Lacey, Kaden, Levy, Fun 101. Hey guys. So remember about our bikes? April Fools. We had an April Fools, you guys. Sorry. But we just like to April Fools everybody. So right now Kaden is on his dirt bike, and yes, he has a helmet on. For those guys that worry. There he is. He's doing good on his dirt bike. So it's not a motorcycle, it's a mini dirt bike for him. But he likes to ride it. Woo! Oh, Kaden! He's doing good. He's not going to get hurt because he rode like 1,000,000 times on this. He's doing good on that, guys. He's only 8 years old and he's doing this. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And hit that bell for notification to see when our next video is. April Fools, you guys. Sorry about the bikes. We didn't get really stolen. We just had to trick them. Well, thank you guys for watching. What?
All right, here.
Well,
there's too many cars.
bye.